toy, not a big boy toy. You have to be gentle, honey. You don't want to break it.
Good boy, Van.
Yeah.
Good job. It's his turn.
You're being nice and gentle, Dal. Good for you, honey. Dan!
That's Grandpa's bottom.
What is Grandpa doing?
Hey, where are you going?
Dal, be gentle.
Where are you going?
You think you're hot stuff? You think you're hot stuff? It is such a sense of independence for them when they can start doing that.
I love the feet though, just taking.
I
But
love
you
the
be
feet.
careful for the table.
This one. Hi, Van.
You need to move. Dal, say it again.
Can you move, please?
Thank you. Much better.
Very nice, Dal.
I want to go to the kitchen.
How about you look at the kitchen?
Dal, so I don't know if you can get in there, can you?